What's good, guys? We're going to take a look right now at QQQ. So you can see this is a daily chart, and basically over the past month, as we know, October, November has not been great. We've been using this resistance level over the past couple of months, finally finding support and now pushing our way back up into this resistance level that we're currently watching at this moment. And I think that we have a solid short opportunity set up here, and I want to share my trade and my plans with you guys. The first thing that we're using is just Smart Money Concepts by Lux Algo, and you're going to see these three major selling pressure levels. We don't have any bullish order blocks right now sitting on the daily chart, and if we zoom out to the weekly chart, you're going to notice that there's once again a bearish order block sitting here. So at this moment, we don't have any bullish movement coming in. Obviously can change, but still looking pretty solid for us to the short term. You can see that these are heavy levels of areas of interest. We've rejected off of this level before, and I believe that there's a very high chance that we're going to see a rejection here and a potential move back. So the way that I am looking to set this trade up is to go short some point around 368.96. I might actually do this on futures because I was doing this on the S&P 500 as well, but I'm looking to go short, ride this somewhere down to at least 352, but really probably down to about 342.87. From there, I think that we'll see a potential bounce down around 340, but I would be looking to start scaling out between 355 and down at 342, with the final target, as we said, at 340, and best case scenario, filling this gap all the way down here to $33.31. And the beautiful thing is our risk management is so clean here that even if we set a stop loss up here at 371.81, or maybe even higher at 372.35, or even all the way up at 374, our risk versus reward is between 5 to 1 or 12 to 1, meaning that we could literally have 12 losses in a row and take this trade, and it would make up for 12 of those losses. So I hope this quick video helped, guys. Tell me what you think if you're going to trade it, and let me know in the comments.